how to buy MemeCore token. So this token came under the symbol of M. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the Mexc account and keep following the updates about this token. And as you can see, this token is available on the explainer. It's created 18 days ago, and as you can see, the market cap it's $742.3 million. Now to be able to buy this token, as you can see, click here to copy the token address, open your Bitget wallet. For that, now go to your wallet. From the top right corner, click here and make sure to select the BNB chain network. Now click on this plus icon and paste the token address in the search bar. Now, as you can see, this is our token. But before going on add this token to your wallet, make sure to read that warning. And if you are ready to go, click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and click in the search icon and type here in the search bar M. And as you can see, if you don't find it here, as you can see, you can now go back to your wallet and you can, as you can see, so if you don't find it, as you can see, this is it. Now click on it and now click here on swap. Now, as you can see from the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT or any token, as you can see, for example, USDC. And now here you can type how much you want to buy. Now, as you can see, this is how much you will be able to receive that token. So just wait a few seconds. And as you can see, this is it. Now, after that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy M token. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe to the next video.